I guarantee you guys have never seen a Ruger 1022 like this one. Check this out. We've got the OG A-Team style stock. This one's called the B-Team from Samson. All right, we're gonna talk a little bit more about this rig because there's a lot more going on than meets the eye, but let's get some rounds down range. This definitely got a interesting feel to it. Let's shoot it. All right, really cool stuff. Welcome back everybody, Eric here with Iraq Veteran. Okay, we're gonna talk about this rig a bit. Now you guys probably remember the old school Ruger Mini 14s that had the side folding stock mechanism on them. Samson makes both the A-Team and the B-Team stocks that are made for those particular guns. This one's the B-Team, which is set up for the Ruger 1022, as I mentioned in the intro. Really cool stuff. I love that setup. There's also a very special receiver that this gun is built on. This is from Fletcher, and this is the Fletcher open top 1122 receiver. One of the interesting features about it, pretty much what makes it special, is you can pop a pin, okay? The pin is self-retained, and the top of the receiver slides off so that you can disassemble the gun for cleaning a lot easier without having to take the whole gun apart. So that is really cool. This particular gun has a kid trigger, a kid bolt, and a kid charging handle on it. And of course here on this Fletcher receiver, you can see you've got a pick rail up front here. We've got a Trijicon RMR mounted in a LaRue quick release mount. This is a surplus old school Israeli Uzi sling that's on this particular gun. Samson also makes this band adapter that has the QD point on it. So that's kind of cool. You can add a QD up there on the front, which is a nice convenient little feature. This is a stainless steel barrel that we cut down and threaded. This is a short barrel rifle, the way it's set up. We are wearing a Huxworks Rad 22 suppressor. This is a flow-through can on this particular gun. The trigger on this thing is fantastic. And one thing I always loved about the old school Mini 14 stocks that had the pistol grip and the folding stock mechanism, I loved how the grip angle and the way that the grip looks kind of reminds me of an AK, and it also reminds me of the Yugoslavian AK grips that have just that very distinct shape to them that is, you cannot mistake a Yugoslavian style AK grip or the grip that is on this particular gun. So I do like that. It's really cool. It's got a very nice trigger, lightweight trigger, super nice, all stainless. This is a BX25 magazine. Let's shoot this thing a little bit, have some fun. But just some unique features that I want to share with you, the Samson stock, the Fletcher receiver, you got the flow-through cam with the Rad 22 from Huxworks. It's just a neat little plinker, something fun to have, fun to play with, and quiet to boot. I'm gonna put a couple over here in the dirt so you can hear just how quiet this thing is. Quiet. Oh, mercy. Is it legal to have this much fun? I mean, this is America, dang it. We can have fun around here, right? How about some, well, we'll shoot the sodas here on the next batch. 3, 4, 5. Oh, I couldn't get 5. This is a fast trigger on this thing. Okay, we're gonna shoot some sodas. What a great rig. Man, it runs so nice. It's accurate, it's reliable. Some folks are probably wondering, these Samson stocks about like what they run. They are a little bit on the pricey side. You can get them through Brownells, I believe, but these Samson stocks are awesome. And I don't know why Ruger does not offer a Mini 14 with this freaking stock on it. Like, talk about how many people despise Mini 14s in the traditional sense. But how many people pick up, you know, the AC 556, the machine gun version, or one of the police models that has a folding stock? I mean, come on, man, A-Team, what the heck? All right, I think that our future might have a Mini 30 or a Mini 14 with one of these on it. And we may have to do the Mini 14 video to end them all. We're just gonna throw it in the fire, sling the ring into the fires of Mordor. And we're just gonna really piss everyone off, which I tend to be kind of good at these days. So, all right, some sodas. Now, how fast can I take those sodas out? I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna take every single one of them out. You ready? All right. Woo! Dude, this thing is a bullet delivery device. How cool is that? Sweet. Oh, it's accurate. Oh, there's no more. Wow. I wanted to make this quick video. How cool is that? I mean, come on. I don't care if you don't like this kind of stuff. You know, I don't care who you are. That's freaking neat. That's neat. And I do like the Fletcher receiver. It does make disassembly and cleaning the gun a heck of a lot easier. That's always been kind of one drawback. So I think it's interesting to see like some of the aftermarket things that people come up with for the Ruger 1022. And it goes to show just how popular the Ruger 1022 is. It's an endless bed for customization and for you to come up with the Ruger 1022 of your dreams, no matter what it might be. And I think the gun really has come full circle. You know, I think the 1022 has solidified itself as probably one of the coolest 22s that you could ever ask for. So thanks so much for tuning in. Many more videos on the way. We'll see you soon. All right, gotta go.